Good morning. It's Wednesday, September 27th. It's 8:32. Just leaving my hostel, albergue. No, it's a hostel. I'm in Burgos. It's a 0 day, and I'm gonna take you along on my 0 day in Burgos. First up, we're gonna have some coffee, and then we're gonna go see the cathedral. There she is. She's a beauty. Wait until we get close. That's the garbage system. It's underground. And now this truck comes and he pulls the bins out. This is in the old part of Burgos, right behind the cathedral. Here is the back of the cathedral. Entrance to the cathedral. If you have your pilgrim's passport, then the entrance is €5, and you get to download a digital guide. So bring your headphones. Don't be like me. I always forget my headphones. Went to the pharmacy, grabbed some anti-inflammatory cream to put on my knee because it's not quite healed yet, and she told me to take ibuprofen as well for a couple of days and see if it goes away, and to continue wearing the knee brace. Yeah, and I was talking to some other pilgrims, and apparently it's been really hard to get rooms even in the Meseta. So we're trying to book ahead, trying to figure out where to stay. I was planning a few longer days, so just keep fingers crossed that I can get rooms, because we're hearing it's just impossible to just show up and get a room unless you leave really early, and then because because I'm planning longer days, it might be difficult. I don't want to have to walk, you know, 38 kilometers and then get there and not have somewhere to stay. But yeah, just toured the cathedral. So definitely you need around 2 hours. Give yourself 2 hours. There's a guided tour, free guided tour, like you download it on your phone. So you can listen. It's really beautiful, highly recommend it. And it's only €5 with your pilgrim's passport. Without it, it's €10. So. And this shows the flooding that they had in the 1930s and 1874. The flood waters, how high they came. This is my mom and dad. Here we have El Cid. I picked up a few groceries. So for lunch I'm going to have this. It's pasta, tuna and egg salad. I have an apple, a banana for tomorrow. I picked up these grapes, €1.50. What else? I have some of this ham. And I still have cheese left over. And then I've got some bread for a sandwich for tomorrow. And this is my lunch. I'm going to have some grapes. I might have the cheese with the grapes and then pick up more cheese for the sandwich. And then I'm going out for ice cream after this. Came up to the top of by the castle park, I guess. That's the cathedral. And then tomorrow we are going just over there. And just like that, rest day is over. And the worst part about rest day is having to pack up everything, get everything ready to go. Burgos was great, a lot of fun. It was nice seeing some people I hadn't seen in a few days and having dinner with them and just hanging out in Burgos all day. We had perfect weather. And it was nice just to relax. I got to go to the pharmacy and got some anti-inflammatory cream. So I'm putting that on my knee and it's really helping a lot. Yeah, what else did I do? I bought some new insoles for my Ultras because the ones I have in there are starting to wear out. So, because I'm going to have some longer days on the Meseta, I didn't want to be, you know, start having issues with my feet, which I've had no issues, knock on wood. Yeah, so the total for today is $105. I can't remember how much I spent on this, and I got some more cough drops just in case. I'm just worried, like, being in the Meseta, what am I going to be able to find? And I'm staying in smaller towns, so yeah. So today, the hotel stay was another €50. Went out to dinner with Suzanne, that was another €16. The entrance to the cathedral was €5. I had ice cream, $2.70. I got some groceries, bread, and some more ham, banana, apple, one of those pasta salads, which was really great. Love those. Breakfast was $2.70 for a café con leche and a croissant, much cheaper than on the Camino, which usually I pay $3.50. And the insoles were 19 euros, which I was really surprised because I ended up getting the better ones, which are really thin, which is what the Ultra's insole is thin. Yeah, and I thought they were going to be like really expensive, and they weren't. So that is it for tonight. Tomorrow I have, I think, 26 kilometers. We're going to Saint-Bol, which is not actually a town, but I think just an albergue. Lots of stories of people on the Meseta right now not being able to find anywhere to stay. A lot of people worried because we're messaging the albergues and no one's getting back to us. So we'll see how that goes. I think I have most of my stays in the Meseta worked out. So I should be okay. I think there was one day where I don't have anything yet, so I need to look into that. Tomorrow I might not have Wi-Fi, so probably no video. So there'll be a video, probably 2 videos on Friday. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.